Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 80. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3. Don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, 1 here. That makes this our 5. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this box now we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this top row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 5 here. Nope, that can't be right. We've got a 5 and 6 here. And with the 6 here, the 6 can't be here or here anyway. But the 6 can't be here because of this 6. All right, if you saw where I made a mistake, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.